So I just built and sold this 3D website for $4,000 and you can do it too. These Apple style animated 3D websites are very popular these days. With the help of AI, anyone can build this website in less than 15 minutes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build such a website for yourself. So let's get started. Now first I want to go over the basics. If you look at any such website, it's nothing but a video which is getting played. And what we are just doing is we're creating that video into single images and then we are letting AI convert an animation out of those images that we give it. That's the entire concept of it. So if you already have a beautiful product video, that's good enough. But if you don't have a product video, we will use AI to create such a video for us. All you need to know in the beginning is what is the product for which you want to create such a website. In my case, I want to create it for a watch. I've already created a skill which will help you create such a website for you. Let's go over this process step by step. The first step is we want to use the skill that I created, and you can find the skill in the description below. So the skill name is product launch prompts. You can just put this prompt in and put the product that you want to create your website for right after this. You can give it more details like the texture of the product or where you want to put it. In my case, I just want to create a simple website for watch. In just a few minutes, you will have 4 prompts ready for you. Just copy these prompts into a simple Google Doc so that it's easier for us to follow. I've already done it for myself, so I'm going to use this. Let's go over the file that got created first. The first and the second prompt are just to create the first and the last frame of the video. Now if you do any sort of AI video generation, if you don't provide the first and the last frame of your video, AI might generate something which you don't like. So I would recommend using both of them. So as a first step, we want to create image using these prompts. You can use Nano Banana or any other AI model for this. I recommend using Nano Banana Pro. For this I'm using Higgsfield. You can use any other website if you want. First I'll put this prompt in. So by the end of it, I will have a beautiful image of the watch ready for me. This is going to be the first frame of my video. Then over to the next prompt. As you can see, the next image is also ready for me and it is looking really good. Now what you want to do is download these 2 images as frame 1 and frame 2 in your computer so that there's no confusion later. Now go to Nano Banana and over here select the create video model. You will see something like this. Now first you want to select Kling 3.0 model from the models library. Select 16:9 ratio and 1080p. I recommend creating a video of 4 to 5 seconds maximum. I'm just doing it for 4 seconds. Now select the frame 1, select the frame 2 and just use the video creation prompt which was already created by Claude for us and generate the video. By the end of it, you will have such a video ready for you. The problem that you will find with this video is it's just a 1K video. As next steps, you want to make this video a 4K video. For this, you can again use Higgsfield to do it. Just select the video upscale option, upload your video and select the Topaz video model and select 4K and then just click on upscale. By the end of it, you will have your 4K video which is ready for you. Congratulations, you have a beautiful video ready for your website. As a next step, you want to create this video into frame. For this, I recommend something called EZGIF. Just select video to GIF, upload your video here. Once the video is uploaded, click on the frames button from here. In the frames per second, go to the maximum that you can, which is 30 in our case. Make sure you select the size to original and checkbox this button and then just click on convert to PNG. Once you've done that, you will have all the frames for your video ready to go. Now as a next step, what you want to do is create a new project. Let me call it watch website. Just drop in all the images that you've created into this folder. Now run Claude Code or any other AI tool that you use like anti-gravity or anything and just put in the prompt that we created. After a few minutes, your beautiful website will be ready for you. If you don't like anything in it, you can just ask AI to update it directly by asking Claude Code. In a few minutes, you will have a beautiful looking website just like this. And that's it. Your $3,000 website is ready to be published. Do like this video and subscribe if you haven't already.